Transition 101.
Caution! This video will show an Oscar-worthy action film sequence in 4 types of pre-planned transitions. Try and see if you can spot them. Okay, now let's rewind. That was a cool video, right? But how on earth did I film that? Well, to know how I filmed it, you need to know what the 3 pre-planned transitions are. A passing transition is an editing technique where one shot replaces the other by a line, shape, or object moving across the screen. This seamlessly blends 2 shots together. In this scene, we placed the backpack in front of the camera and then started the next shot on the railing from the door. That way, the black in between connects the 2 shots. A whip pan transition is a fast camera movement that creates a heavy motion blur. Filmmakers use this heavy blur to seamlessly cut between 2 different scenes, subjects, or locations. The first shot, the camera pans or tilts extremely fast in one direction at the end of the clip. In the second shot, the next clip starts with the same camera moving rapidly from that same direction. The editor will cut right in the middle of the blur, and the blur hides the cut, creating a seamless transition. A match cut is a film editing technique that joins 2 distinct shots together by sharing a similar visual shape, action, or sound. This clever shift makes a jump in time or space feel smooth, creating a hidden link or smart message between 2 different scenes. Cut dissolve, it's the same as the first transitions, but you dissolve them into each other. Doing this. And now you know how to film transitions. Bye.